Morning. Today is Tuesday, January 25th, and here is our plan for the day. All right. So we are going to review and discuss pages 125 to 129, and also take a look at the Canvas submission activity that we will be doing afterwards. The phase changes assignment is due on Wednesday night. That's tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. so that you are prepared for the quiz that we are having on Thursday. All right. So if we go to this week's module and take a look. So here is what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be taking a look at highlighting and answering the questions on pages 124 to 129 or 125. So you want to take a look, highlight your own textbook based on what I have here. Also, you want to take a look and answer the questions. Okay. You want to make sure to do our graphs that you see here. And then also make sure that you're adding in any of these additional annotations that you see that I have added in just for additional clarification so that we are ready to go. And then number 16 here is our answer as well. So this is the main part of our activity together today. So you want to make sure to read and answer those questions. All right, the next thing we're going to do, this was our activity from yesterday. I'm just going to go over the answers and then I'll post the answer key a little bit later today. So we're using this triple point graph right here to answer the following questions. So our first question, we're asking what state of matter methanol is going to be in at that temperature and pressure, and it will be a liquid. Okay, so if we take a look at our graph, right here to the left of the line would be a solid, then our liquid, and then our gas would be down here. So our second question is, what state of matter would methanol be below negative 97.65 degrees Celsius in 1 atmosphere? And that would be a solid. So we're falling right there. All right. So then let's take a look at the next couple of questions. Our triple point temperature is going to be negative 97.65 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is going to be less than 1 atm, according to the graph. And then our critical point would be 240 degrees Celsius, and the pressure would be about 80 atmospheres. Then for question number 4, sublimation happens with letter Z, melting is X, and vaporization would be Y, according to our graph. And then finally, the last 2 questions, we want to know a solid sample of methanol is stored as a solid at negative 95 degrees Celsius, is pressurized in a pressurized container. Describe what would happen if the pressure is gradually reduced to normal atmospheric pressure until the temperature is maintained. So methanol is going to change from a solid to a liquid as it goes from a pressurized container to a normal atmospheric pressure. And then the last question that you have on your sheet that you picked up is number 6. Based on the temperature and pressure conditions of our classroom, what state of matter would you expect to find the sample of methanol? And we would expect it to be a liquid. All right. So then as we go back to the module, let's take a look at the assignment that you're completing on your own today. So let's move this up to the right spot. All right. So it's called Phase Changes. So this is all about experience 2. So when we take a look, it's 40 points, which is quite a few questions. I believe we have 18 questions total to answer. You have unlimited attempts to answer our questions here. I don't know what's going crazy here. So answer each of those questions, submit when you're done. Make sure that you have this submitted by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. This is part of the information, or quite a bit of the information, that you're going to see on your quiz on Thursday.